to find their way home to their families. These three pets will learn the meaning of teamwork, friendship, and...
Yes! That's why they call it the catapult.
You are such a typical dog.
You get up on the wrong side of the litter box, bozo.
It's gonna be a long journey home. Don't miss Homeward Bound.
Hey, you better feed it.
Don't miss
from me.
Excuse me. Don't miss Homeward Bound: The Incredible Journey. Friday at 7:30, 6:30 Central, followed by Shiloh on Magical World of Disney.
Am I bad? Oh, yes.
So you're Silverstone, out all day doing your normal routine. Defusing nuclear warheads, evading deadly assassins, laser blasting, and kung fu fighting, and zapping funky gadgets disguised as packets of chewing gum. Come on. And wearing sleek threads and expensive sunglasses, and just generally being Silverstone, the world's coolest secret agent, or at least playing him on TV. But in real life, you're Jet Jackson, a normal kid who's trying to live a normal life. Catch new adventures of Silverstone in an all-new season of the famous Jet Jackson. Fridays at 6/5 Central inside Zoog Disney. Sunday. Join us in celebrating the tradition of Hanukkah when Disney presents the story of lights. Let Disney take you back to the time and place where the Festival of Lights first began.
Fascinating.
See the struggle that took place and discover how it took a miracle to keep these special lights burning bright. Celebrate the tradition of Hanukkah when Disney presents the story of lights. Sunday at 6:30, 5:30 Central, inside Zoog Disney. Friday on Magical World of Disney. Disney presents Shiloh.
You seen my dog?
A boy must keep a big secret
Shiloh?
That's where I found him, up on the Shiloh Bridge.
as he struggles to save
He set this trap.
the dog he loves.
He's gonna kill Shiloh! I just can't give Jet the chance to hurt him again.
But is time running out for this runaway hound? Find out. Don't miss Shiloh. Friday at 9/8 Central, right after Homeward Bound: The Incredible Journey on Magical World of Disney. And now back to the show, right here on Disney.